Apple finally has a new entry-level iPad, and that's going to be a great thing if you're looking for an iPad that's affordable and works with Apple Pencil. The new iPad, called iPad, starts at $329 and looks a lot like the 9.7-inch iPad Pro that debuted in 2016. This model comes in 32 or 128 gigabyte storage, and it starts at $329 or goes up to $429. The camera is 8 megapixel and shoots in 1080p. It also supports LTE. The iPad works with a bunch of new creative tools that Apple announced here at the Lane Tech Prep School in Chicago, and the feel and look of it is a lot like the iPad Pro that I remember. And the pencil sensitivity is promised to be pretty much the same as what you expected before. It has an A10 processor, which matches what last year's iPhone models before the iPhone X and iPhone 8 had, and it felt pretty comfortable to draw on. The new iPad costs $299 if you're in the education market, saving a little bit of money. And there are also going to be new apps that support it. Pages and the rest of the iWork suite are going to be supported for Apple Pencil, and Apple's supporting a new creative initiative to encourage kids to use the pencil in all of its apps and classroom tools. Here I'm just trying to draw and keep up with trying to see what my hand looks like if it had a skeleton overlaid with it. The pencil is exactly the same as before, but there will be a new pencil-like accessory. Logitech is making a $49 crayon and a $99 ruggedized keyboard. Stay tuned for more. I'm Scott Stein.